At first, let's learn how to connect to the power supply. There are 4 wires in total. One piece ground wire and the other 3 pieces are live wire. Let's connect the 3 pieces live wire at first. After we finish the live wire collectors, and we could connect the ground wire to make sure safety. Put on the case. There are on and off switches on the case, so the electric installation finished. But we need to verify the electric installation to check whether it is correct. We could start the machine to check the rotation. If the rotation is correct, no problem. But if the direction is not correct, please swap the 2 wires. Okay, let's connect the composite cylinder. This is 3-liter SCBA cylinder. Just turn the handles to connect. And at first, make sure the cylinder valve closed. Let's make a test. Start the machine and wait the pressure up to the breathing air pressure around 300 bar. And let's check the high pressure gauge. At the same time, make sure the release valve closed. Okay, we could check the pressure gauge. The air pressure increased almost 300 bar, and we will open the cylinder valve to start filling the air cylinder. Okay, open the valve. And let's see how long lead to refilling the small cylinder, so that we will check the charging rate of the air compressor, whether reach 300 liters per minute. This air compressor is 300 liters per minute charging rate, and with double refilling collector and hoses. And you see around near the safety valve, there are some hoses connected to the power station, and under the power station there is another auto stop function. That means once the air cylinder is fully charged to 300 bar, the machine will stop automatically and drain automatically. We will see how the function works. And on the right side of the machine, there are some extra parts, including 2 bottles oil. This type of oil is a kind of lubricated oil, which is professional and specialized applied in the air compressor, especially for breathing standard air compressor. And near the oil bottle, there are some spare parts, which is the air filter and the activated carbon filters. Our technician now is checking the drain valve, which could be operated by hand. Even though our machine already with the auto stop function and auto drain function, we could still use our hand. There are some valves which could be operated by our hand as well. Okay, please check our pressure gauge. It's almost up to 300 bar, and the machine will stop automatically, and you will hear the voice of auto stop and auto drain function. Okay, the machine stopped, and we could check by our hand, and we could close the valve, close the cylinder valve, and then turn the handle. Yeah, turn the handle and to take off the cylinder. After that, we could make the air release. You will see a release valve, and we could turn the valve to release the pressure in the hose, just like this. Another hose also need to release. We need to release the air pressure in both hoses. Please note that this air compressor could refill in one-piece cylinder or two-piece cylinders. This is refilling collectors. Let's see the complete set of our compressor. Here's the safety valve, and there are double refilling hose and connectors. This is operator and maintenance books. This is the basic maintenance tips. This is air filter case. This is drain valve. This is a low pressure gauge and oil checking window. Near the pressure gauge on the left side is the oil filter. This is the safety valve. This is the electric motor. These are on and off switches.